Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable Tikfinity in +1 speed keyboard escape, candy, and chocolate on Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, join the game and wait for it to load completely. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen, you should see the Tikfinity menu. Here, you will see available effects, such as transforming into a chicken, becoming super slow, spawning bananas, triggering an explosion, creating an earthquake, becoming tiny, and other fun effects, depending on what's available in the game. To enable this, you'll find the Tikfinity toggle there. Click it and make sure the switch turns green. This means Tikfinity is enabled. Once it's enabled, you'll now be able to use these available effects. You can now turn into a chicken, becoming super slow, triggering an explosion, creating an earthquake, and other fun effects, depending on what's available in the game. Simply click the effect you want to use and it will activate immediately. And that's it. So that's basically how you can enable Tikfinity in +1 speed keyboard escape, candy, and chocolate on Roblox. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.